Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shalu World of Happiness. Today I've seen a wax painting reel and I'm very excited to do that. So let's get started. All we have to need is a paper, watercolor, brush, pencil and razor, and I'm use a candle. Firstly I draw the structure, then lighten up with the help of razor. As you see I lighten up my structure. Then I take candle and draw the structure again. If you are new, then hit the bell icon to subscribe my channel for more videos. Highlight my structure with color. We paint all our sketch with watercolor. As you see, my painting is visible. I can do it. Now we write some words and let's do the magic again. Please like and share and tell me what you want to do with this method by texting in the comment section. We will repeat the coloring procedure. You can see my invisible words. And it's the final look. Thank you. Bye bye.